in IMS, for the new IMS mobile, we put in a feature that allows you to lock out certain features of the IMS mobile system for the operator in the field. If you don't want them changing valve or hydrant information or changing torque or revolution speed, you would simply go into Edit, go to Mobile Lockout Code, and create a password, and then click Save Data. Then, in order to prevent an outside user from coming in and getting into IMS and changing that code, you would go back into Edit, User Maintenance, put in the user's name and password, click on Other Rights, and then under Mobile Lockout, click Deny, and then Save. Now this will prevent a user from coming in and being able to change the lockout code.